Alright guys, so today I want to be showing you something live. I'm going to be building out an automation within my pipeline that's going to be following up with an email and SMS to clients if they haven't answered in 3 days. So let's get started. I'm going to be first naming this, so that's what it's going to be called. 0 response in 3 days. First automation is going to be changed, and it's going to be pipeline stage changed, and it's going to be filter in pipeline of the pipeline I'm choosing, and then it is pipeline stage 0 response in 3 days. I already made the pipeline, so I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that part, but save that trigger. We are going to add a tag 3-day ghost lead. Save that action, save that, and then from here it is pretty simple. We're going to actually go to ChatGPT quickly, and we are going to make a prompt. So make me a message to send to a client that hasn't answered for pressure washing and maybe sand and seal services in 3 days. Make a message and an email for a specific user and GoHighLevel. So specific user and GoHighLevel, that is pretty key because see right here, first name with the bubbles. We're going to need to sub out all of those. So let's see what the message says first. Just following up on your interest in pressure washing and possibly that's dragging them in. It's telling them there's more of a demand for it. So we're going to put that in. And we're going to take the first name like that and replace it with contact first name, just following up 8-tier washing. That's a perfect text to send out. And then we're going to go to email, go back to ChatGPT, subject in here, the from emails, and this is going to be 8-tier washing. We're going to go back here and copy all of this. Contact first name, just wanted to follow up regarding your interest. This right here, I simply drag it to 0 response in 3 days, and I should receive a text any minute. So I just got it right now, and it simply says, "Hi Caleb, just following up on your interest in pressure washing and possibly sand and sealing. We still have a few spots left this week. Would you like a free quote or to secure a spot before the schedule fills up? If you guys are new to the channel, follow, like, and subscribe, and be sure to stick around for more content down the road. Thank you, and have a good one."